Imagine powdery lunar dust under black sky. Welcome to our journey exploring Earth's only natural satellite. We'll uncover its secrets step by step. At roughly 2,159 miles wide, the Moon spans one-fourth of Earth. It orbits about 239,000 miles away in an elliptical path. That ellipse subtly shifts its apparent size in our sky. These rhythms shape what we observe every night. As sunlight strikes the Moon, shadows create phases. We see new moons fade, crescents gradually grow into full brilliance. First quarter turns half-lit, then wanes through last quarter. In a 29-day cycle, these changing phases guide calendars, spark wonder worldwide. The lunar surface tells a story in craters and dark Maria. Volcanic floods formed vast plains called seas of stone. Impact craters pockmark its crust, frozen in time from billions of years of collisions. Each feature reveals the Moon's dynamic history. The Moon's gravity tugs on Earth's oceans, pulling tides twice daily. High tides rise under the closest lunar positions, low tides follow. This pull shapes coastlines, marine life, and our calendars. Without the Moon's grip, Earth's rhythms would be profoundly different. Humans glimpsed the Moon through telescopes, but unmanned probes mapped its surface in detail. Then, in 1969, Apollo 11 astronauts left footprints and collected rocks to bring home. Those missions unlocked mysteries and inspired generations to pursue science beyond our world. From size and orbit to phases, geology, tides, and human exploration, the Moon connects us to cosmic rhythms. Its changing face guides life on Earth while inviting curiosity and wonder across generations. Join us to uncover lunar mysteries.